Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python plus a package manager. Open a terminal now and run Python version. If that fails, try Python 3. Once you have Python, check pip version or conda version so you know which installer to use. Next, run Python mpip show notebook or conda list notebook to see if the classic Jupyter Notebook package is present. This first pass tells you whether you can launch Jupyter or if installation is required. Once done with basic checks, verify the executable and kernels so you avoid runtime surprises. Run Jupyter version and which Jupyter or where Jupyter to confirm the active binary path. Mismatched paths cause notebooks to use the wrong Python. Then list kernels with Python ipykernel list to ensure your environment appears. If you use Jupyter Lab, check Jupyter Lab version. Finally, inspect installed packages with pip. List grep Jupyter to detect multiple installations that might conflict. If check show notebook is missing, install it with Python mpip install notebook or conda install c conda forge notebook, depending on your setup. Once installed, launch Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab to verify a browser UI appears and kernels run code. Make sure to open notebooks from the same environment you installed into. If the wrong binary runs, use Python M Notebook to force the correct interpreter. If things go wrong, fix path or activate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.